Exploring our planet is an ongoing endeavor. People climb mountains, dive into the ocean depths, and trek through dense forests. It might seem that by the 21st century, Earth would hold no more secrets, but that's not the case. To uncover one of the most enigmatic places, you only need to look at North Sentinel Island in the Bay of Bengal. This island, shrouded in mystery, is fiercely defended by the Sentinelese, a tribe that has consistently refused contact with the outside world. Their determination to remain isolated is evident in their violent reactions to outsiders. In 2004, after a major earthquake, they attacked a helicopter sent to check on them. In 2006, 2 fishermen who strayed too close to the island were killed. In 2018, missionary John Allen Chao met the same fate when he attempted to contact the tribe. Guess the mystery. What makes North Sentinel Island so mysterious? Is it A, venomous creatures, B, ancient curses, C, an isolated tribe? Vote by commenting below. Getting there isn't straightforward. This video will reveal the mysteries of this closed island in the Indian Ocean. I'll demonstrate the dangers of uncovering secrets and the high cost of curiosity. You'll also virtually meet one of the most enigmatic tribes in the world. Did you know? Let's start with some known facts about North Sentinel Island. It's a small island in the Indian Ocean, around 60 square kilometers or 23 square miles. This island is off limits to the public. Tourists, nearby island residents, and even scientists are barred from visiting. Can you name another isolated tribe in the world? Comment below and test your knowledge. What makes this place so notorious is not venomous creatures or ancient curses. The island is home to one of the world's most extraordinary and elusive groups of people. Estimates of the Sentinelese population range from 32 to 497 individuals, a testament to the profound mystery surrounding them. With no outside visitors allowed, there is no way to accurately count or document the people living there. It is believed the inhabitants cannot read or write. Researchers are left to speculate and observe from a respectful distance. Hidden secrets. Even modern technology like satellite imagery doesn't provide much insight because the island is covered with dense forests. Anything could be hidden there: dinosaurs, alien artifacts, or the lost city of Atlantis. What do you think is hidden on North Sentinel Island? The islanders, known as the Sentinelese, are one of the Andaman indigenous peoples. They have lived in near total isolation for about 60,000 years. The Sentinelese have developed independently without any outside influence for millennia. Meet the Sentinelese. They are unaware of modern concepts like Bitcoin, climate change, or streaming services. They don't even know what a horse is. Researchers describe the natives as relatively short, around 165 centimeters or 5.5 feet, possibly due to island dwarfism. They have dark, shiny skin, even teeth and strong muscles. The Sentinelese are hunter-gatherers and use bows, arrows, and spears to hunt. They gather seafood like crabs and shellfish by hand, evidenced by the abundance of empty shells in their settlements. Their lifestyle hasn't evolved much over the millennia. They don't practice agriculture but can build canoes. It's unclear if they know how to make fire, though they do use it. The Sentinelese live in temporary huts, appreciate metal, dance, and speak an unknown language. They are a unique island civilization. Scientists are eager to study the Sentinelese, but it's forbidden, not by the islanders but by the Indian government. To protect the tribe from diseases to which they have no immunity, contact is restricted. Even brief interactions could be deadly for them. Protecting the tribe. Attempts to study the Sentinelese, like those by British officer Maurice Vidal Portman in the 19th century, resulted in sickness and death among the natives. The tribe survived despite such intrusions. The island is now protected to prevent diseases from reaching the tribe. Indian Border Patrol boats monitor the coastal waters, and the island is treated as a rare treasure. Do you think the strict protection measures are justified? Why or why not? Share your opinion in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified about new intriguing videos.